miss this time. Been a while I didn't put water. Para siya ma-arrange. Panahuman akong bintana. Akong tangad is dako na siya. Dako na akong tangad. Ako ni ripat ang tangad. Para mulabong. First off, you need to get ready your stuff. We're gonna leave a little bit soon. We're leaving soon. You can just bring it. This is not that bad. Ask Papa what's the temperature today. Need to water them. Ay, giuhaw.